You have to do like an up.
He's way down there. Let's see which way he goes.
I think he's going straight.
He's gonna go to the right to us? Over that way, you think?
No, he's going straight.
Yeah, he's going over there, isn't he?
No, wait.
Well, he's coming this way, isn't he?
He's turning? He is turning.
See on that switch? Yeah, see, he's coming this way, right? Yes.
He's coming this way. Oh, it's only engine.
What the world?
It's only engine.
It is.
Probably like a switch job or something. Oh.
Wind and no sun, bad combo.
Come on.
We want no wind and no clouds.
We don't want all these clouds.
Yeah, you got, that was the wrong way to go. Wind and no sun. It'd be tolerable if there was no wind. He did stop. He stopped right there.